Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna try to spice things up a little bit. Just kidding, but we're talking about spices. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to say as many times. Apparently it hurts people's feelings. Anyway, we can't all be Michelin star chefs, and sometimes stuff gets burnt. Sometimes freeze-dried meals aren't as delicious as they're supposed to be. Lots of options for why something doesn't taste very good. So that brings flavor enhancement into the picture. And I was just going to share a couple of bits and pieces with you guys, some options, and show another little do-it-yourself thing that you can do here. Probably my favorite of the flavor-wise stuff is going to be Sriracha to go. Just handy little tubes of refillable tubes of Sriracha. I'm a Sriracha kind of guy. I like those. I like Cholula. Cholula. It's pretty good. Can't beat the OG Tabasco sauce. I end up making a little Tabasco sauce holding necklace that I have on my website. It's pretty fun, just for if you know somebody that really likes Tabasco sauce or somebody that can't cook. Pretty fun little thing anyway. The Tahon's pretty good. It's decent for stuff. We've made a bunch of corn and put this on it. It was good. We cooked it on the fire. That's just stuff you can get that's pretty readily ready to go. You can get kits like this. I got this from I think it was a giveaway. And it's from Colorado Bushcraft. And I have a mixture of black and white pepper and red-eyed hog seasoning in here. It's just in glass tubes. Pretty handy little kit there. Another kit thing that I think is just fantastic is from Father Nomad, so a Desert Daddy creation, and it holds 3 different types of seasonings. It's all refillable. So this one's black pepper. This one is going to be red-eyed hog. I can tell just because it's dark. And then this one's salt. And his stuff is labeled. So super handy. Really awesome little bit there. Like, I think that's super cool. But I'm not a very good 3D printing kind of guy. So what I have to do is every year I have some here that's grown and some here that's gifted. But we grow approximately 2,500 square foot garden, and it's normally heavy on tomatoes and peppers. We make a bunch of salsas and stuff like that. But I always try to grow some seasoning peppers. And what I mean by seasoning peppers is peppers that are just too friggin' hot to eat by themselves. And so these are ghost peppers. And like if we were making, if you put one of these in a freeze-dried meal, so like if you have black beans and rice or something like that, this dude is gonna like make it plenty hot for you, possibly more than you expect if you don't know what you're getting into with these guys. They can be pretty ruthless. But you can take and have them in big pieces like this, or I make these to put those in. So this is just a hollowed out piece with a pull top, and it has ground ghost peppers in it. And we'll make one of these. They're pretty simple. We won't do it in this video, but we'll do it another time. It's pretty easy to do. And then you just make a friction fit top for it. And you can store whatever you want to in this. Pretty cool. This was gifted to me at the last Georgia Bushcraft, and I put some of it. My youngest daughter made some egg drop soup, which I didn't think she had any idea how to make egg drop soup, but I was wrong, and put about half of one of these busted up in my egg drop soup, and it gave it a pleasant spice. Wasn't too bad. I think they said these were cayennes, but I can't remember. But they hooked me up. Thanks. I'll be busting some of that up, eating it in some of my vittles. But there's a bunch of options available. Either you've seen, if you have seen some of my stuff, I have my little EDC pouch. I have one of these in it. I got a couple of them in my backpack too, just in case. They're small, easy to carry, readily available. I have some of this stuff on my website, bushcraftkelso.com. You can get the Sriracha to go, or the... Y'all stop! Yeah, that's what I thought. But I got little leather deals I've made to hold Cholula and hot sauce necklaces and stuff, just for fun. They're not necessary, but you know, lots of this stuff isn't necessary for what we do. We just do it for fun. But anyway, I appreciate the support, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like and follow. Check out my Instagram. It's at Bushcraft Kelso. My website is bushcraftkelso.com. And I'm going to try real hard to not say so many times, but that's just going to take time. I definitely don't like being in front of the camera, but having to speak to the camera, I really don't. I don't love that either, but I enjoy sharing content, so I'm going to get over it. So if you don't like it, you guys get over it too. Anyway, appreciate the support, guys. Until next time, later.